What's up, guys? We are back, and y'all see more GTR Festival things. I got, you know, Big Red in the back, you know, Joey, right, Rigo? Huh? Joey calls her Big Red. Joey calls her Big Red, even though Joey don't be around. Joey, when you look at when you look at this Joey, yeah, we selling out, right? So, it's time to work on this thing. We got less than a week. I don't gotta explain to y'all. Normal stuff. Y'all know how this stuff go already. But you gotta put trans in this thing, change the oil, put some tires on it, put it on a dyno, make sure she good. Then we'll take off Texas, go to GTR Festival. All right, so been talking about this. Here it is. This is the Speedtek dog box, which is it's rated for like 1,000 horsepower. Yeah, we know this thing makes a lot more, but I think it does do well for what I needed to do. I got pretty much the whole catalog besides, I think it's 5th gear. They make a 5th gear now. That's the only thing I don't have. But hopefully I'm not shifting a 5th and a quarter mile. That wouldn't be cool. Also, I got the shifter, the whole billet shifter that we're gonna put on there. So the goal is obviously to put this on the lift, drain the trans fluid, transfer case, yada yada, do all that, drop it out, put the transfer case on this, pop this back in, make sure everything's good. And then we also got an Artec turbo manifold and stuff like that we need to upgrade. But we're trying to play it smart. Nick said do one thing at a time, so I'm gonna do one thing at a time. Plus, your boy done forgot to order a flange for the downpipe, so I can't even do that anyway. So I guess I'm doing one thing at a time anyways. All right, and just like that, the trans is out. Clutch is still good. So we got to get the transfer case off of this guy, put it on the built Speedtek guy over there, and then we can put the trans back in. It's looking like I might have to cut the hole up there a little bit because the new shifter has like a hump here, I think. So we'll probably do that before we even put the trans back in, just to play it safe. But for now, let's get the transfer case off and get it on that bad boy over there. All right, guys, so we got the new trans in and the shifter. Had a little dilemma last night with the clutch, so I stopped recording and figured all that out, but we got it in now. That Speedtek shifter looks really good. Still got a yank on this thing like it's a damn sequential though, so let me show y'all real quick. Open down pipe, you know, so we sounded like real race car. This the reverse lockout, oh man, it's just stiff. I gotta talk to them about that. You gotta like really like hear that clunk, and then still got a yank on it, so I gotta be like, but I could just chuck it in third. I almost missed it. That's fourth, third, fourth. I didn't use the clutch. So that's third to fourth. That's pretty cool. This thing needs gas, so we ain't gonna run it all crazy. That's one thing down. Now we got the Artec turbo manifold to put on with a new wastegate. Then we'll have to make a new downpipe tomorrow into the 4-inch exhaust, and then we can hit a dyno. I think this time I'll actually dyno the car in 2-wheel drive since I already have the front drive shaft out. Let's strap in a little bit safer because this car's scary at 1,200 horsepower on a dyno. So let's jump in to put in the new back housing on and the Artec turbo manifold. All right, so this is what we're gonna put on. Artec Big Daddy manifold, 50 mil wastegate, and a V-band back housing. And we're getting rid of the Hypertune twin gate setup, which worked well, but we had a little bit of boost creep. This shouldn't have any boost creep because I run this on the drift car and on the green sedan, and it's been good. So Time to pull all this madness off. This whole setup gonna be for sale besides the turbo, you know what I'm saying? Anybody want hyper-tuned turbo manifold with twin 44 tile wastegates on there in good condition. Even has all the ports for the EGTs, even though I never ran them. So, time to dive in. Alright, got the old setup off. If anybody's interested, hyper-tune 3026 twin gate T4 divided with 2 tile 44 dump tubes. The whole setup, not the back housing though. Up for grabs. Now we got the you know, beautiful Artec cast stainless 70 mil Big Daddy on here. Pro tip: when you use metal gasket, because this doesn't have the cutout, always grind off the rivets in the gasket, or you'll have a leak within like first 50 miles of driving this bad boy, because the rivet gets in between. See, I grind them off right there. Boom, boom. Yeah, gotta get in between, and they push on this, and then it just you know, you get an exhaust leak. So saving you guys right there. Let me get this thing on. You guys don't need to see me tighten bolts. All right, so it's all done. Intercool piping's done. New downpipe's done. Back into the exhaust. Fresh oil change. What else? I think that's it. Boost controller plumbed. I guess we can run it now. Come on, Nick, fire it up for me, bro. Don't forget to connect the battery, man. Turn the battery back on. Alright, so we kind of had to restart it because we had an exhaust leak. So I think we fixed now. Everything's nice and quiet. Nice new wrap. Can't really fit a blanket there. Still gonna have to figure that out, and we gotta make an intake. But I mean, that's pretty much it. She good to go. Alright, we're gonna take a little drive in the SpeedTek box down the street real quick. Ain't wanna leave you guys hanging, so. Oh, look at that, it didn't clink. The gear don't feel that much longer. Damn, my headlights that dim, bro? Oh my god, the gate's locked. Who the hell did that? Hey, there we go. Yeah. All right, cool. I think that's Ford. third. I may have to adjust the shifter because I can't be missing freaking.
Second?
Yeah, bro, what the hell is that? Let's try driving it again from first and see. Maybe it needs to break in some more. There we go. I mean, besides the shifter being stiff, it shifts all right, you know what I mean? Like it don't shift like it's not clunking every gear, so that's cool. Downshift though. It almost feels like it just goes in gear without even me pushing the clutch. The first gear with the lockout though, oh.
You don't even need that.
You gotta have a strong thumb. I'll try shifting a little bit faster. Third. It's got to be too stiff. Alright, so that's brings us to the end of this video. We'll end it right there. Turbo's on and good. Trans is in and working. Got to do a little bit of adjustments to the shifter. Make sure it shifts right. It just doesn't feel right going in the third. But we'll call it a day or a night on that. And we'll get back out to it in the next video. Because then we got to get this thing dynoed and turned up and probably do a couple street hits, make sure everything's all right. Then we load up and head to GTR Festival. So see you guys next one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.